Robotic Society in Finland is a small non-profit association established in 1983. The mission of the Robotic Society is to foster the use of industrial robotics and in general robots in industrial application. We carry out our mission by organizing different training, education, research project, visits and other activities to our members. Our member base consists of 300 robotics professional individual persons, and then we have about 60 supporting companies and organizations from Finland that are end users, technology providers, research institutes and educational institutes working in the field of robotics.